Hey, what is up, guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best credit repair companies. What are the best companies to help you with your credit repair process? Whether you have some issues on your credit report and you'd like to fix those discrepancies or mistakes that may be on your credit score and your report, because essentially if it's on your report, it might be impacting your credit score. So that's what we're going to be diving into. What are the best credit repair companies to help repair your credit and overall improve your credit score? So that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. And before we dive into things, of course, I do want to mention, if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. Now, first things first, of course, I also want to take you over to the page done in partnership with money.com. We created this page here for the list of the best credit repair companies, and this list and page will be constantly up to date. So no matter when you're watching this video, you can check out the first link down below in the video description. That's brandvalesky.com/best credit repair. And that will take you over to this page here where you can check out the best credit repair companies. And it will be, of course, latest and up to date with the best credit repair companies. No matter when you're watching this video, this list will be up to date. Again, available at the first link in the video description if you want to check it out and follow along. Again, that link will take you right over to this page here. So without further ado, again, let's kind of give it a little bit of an introduction. So as far as the list of the best credit repair companies, we spent over 200 hours researching 22 companies to determine the best credit repair services for you. And of course, improving your credit may result in lower interest rates and long-term savings. But again, no credit repair company can guarantee any specific loan terms. Essentially, they can help you through the process of disputes or any kind of issues that you may have on your credit report, which can help improve your overall credit score. They can also help with overall like financial wellness and just generally improving your overall financial situation as far as when it comes to credit and making sure that everything is correct. And they will go through and help you with that process as well with different creditors. So that's what we're going to be diving into. Again, the top companies. And without further ado, starting at the number one spot here, we have is Sky Blue. Now, as you can see here, Sky Blue does offer a single low-cost credit repair package. You can pause and resume your membership at will through your online account. They do have different fees for monthly rate as well as a setup fee, and it does differ depending on if you're a couple or a single individual. Now, keep in mind that these rates may change depending on when you're watching this video. These rates are accurate as of the making of today's video. They're always subject to change, so depending on when you're watching this video, the rates may look slightly different. But in general, this is still the overall best rating as far as the companies here in this list. So again, that's Sky Blue, and their monthly rate currently is $79. They do have discounts available for couples. So if you're two people, it's $119, and they do have monthly fees. They do also have a 90-day money-back guarantee. If we take a look at their website here, as you can see here, they offer themselves as the smart choice for credit repair, and they do offer assistance from $79 per month. You can get started today, and they offer powerful solution to dispute issues on your credit reports and improve your score. Essentially, that's the benefit of utilizing a credit repair agency or company, is to help you by disputing the issues that are on your score, which can be quite difficult sometimes to actually go about doing it yourself. Again, that option is always there, but it's nice with these credit repair companies. They'll actually go through the whole process and help do it for you, which can be nice. Now, they do also offer no charge for 6 days. And they've been in business for quite a while. So they do have different packages as well, depending on the consultations that you may need, or depending on the number of disputes and things like that, depending on the overall inquiries that you have, but they can help you quite a lot with your credit repair. Again, that is Sky Blue at the number one spot. Moving along in this list, at number two, we have is Credit Saint. Now, Credit Saint offers a wide range of affordable and comprehensive package options. The advisory team helps you take the necessary steps to improve your credit health overall. They have a setup or a first work fee of $99 to $195 and monthly fees of $79.99 $99 to $129.99, over 10,000 Google reviews, and also a 90-day money-back guarantee. If we take a look here at Credit Saint, as you can see here, you can improve your credit, so you can qualify for top-tier credit cards, increase loan approval odds, discover better job opportunities. Not so sure about that one necessarily, but hey, maybe, and unlock higher credit limits. So, overall, you can get also more housing options, lower interest rates in general. These are things that just by having a higher credit score is going to be, again, lower interest rates is really the biggest one. When it comes to credit score, those other benefits may also help you as well. So again, you can sign up for free as well here and review and dispute things and track your overall process. They do have a credit polish service, credit removal, and clean slate. So depending on where you're at, they can help you. They also have a nice little handy dandy dashboard with credit scores, can help you with collections, late payments, foreclosures, charge-offs, bankruptcies, judgments, repossessions, or liens on your information and your credit. So again, that's Credit Saint at the number 2 spot. Moving in at number 3, we have is the Credit Pros. So they offer even the most basic packages include financial management tools, which I think is really a nice benefit to utilizing a credit repair agency or credit repair company, is that you actually get the financial management tools, especially maybe if you made mistakes in the past and you're looking to improve your credit score, then the financial management tools can really be a good help, especially if you're a beginner or if you're kind of new to the whole process. If you made mistakes, that can also really help you with the financial management tools that honestly a lot of these companies do also offer. Credit Pros, as you can see here, they offer credit monitoring is included with every plan regardless of the price. They do have a setup or first work fee of $29 to $49, monthly fees of $69 to $149, and they have a 60-day money back guarantee. And as you can see here, we take a look at the Credit Pros. Again, they do offer credit repair service. You get access to all 3 credit reports, a free credit consultation via phone and chat. They have unlimited disputes on questionable items, improved credit with a $5,000 trade line, and they report your payments so you're able to build credit with them as well. So again, this is the Credit Pros, their overall process. They do also have a coupon code, again, at the links in the video description. You'll get the best rates from any of these companies here because these are, these are partner rates as well, so you're able to get the best discounts by using my links in the video description. Moving along, next in this list we have is Safeport Law. Now, Safeport Law has been in business for over 15 years of experience in the industry. They do have a slightly higher first work fee of $129, and they also have monthly fees of $129.99. They include free consultation, credit score analysis, and more. No available discounts at the moment with Safeport Law. Again, as you can see here, they have attorneys is sort of their process. So they actually have people on staff that then go about after the credit agencies and things like that. If there are maybe financial issues on your credit report, they actually send out, attorneys. So as you can see here, don't fight credit problems yourself, send attorneys. That's overall their process. So they are more like a law company in a way. Just because of the way that they go about their business and process. So again, they set you up with the basic personal information. They do a free, credit report just to get an idea. You can review the credit history with them, identify any items you disagree with or are potentially damaging your credit, and then they analyze and optimize as far as what the next steps look like for improving your credit score. Again, they focus on consumer advocacy, as you can see here, with different of course, they're trained counselors, take a multi-pronged approach to helping clients understand and change their situations. Again, they have a credit cleanse plus and regular, depending on the overall aggressiveness of the situation that you may be in. Moving along, next in this list we have is the Credit People. So the Credit People, all plans include unlimited disputes to all 3 credit bureaus, and the monthly fees are anywhere from $79 to $119, and they do offer a flat rate 6-month fee of $5.99 is also available. Their first work fee is quite low compared to a lot of the other competitors in this list, and they do have no available discounts, unfortunately, but this is the Credit People. As you can see here, better credit easier, improving your overall credit score from maybe the bad range to the excellent range. Essentially that's really what most of these companies are ultimately doing, but they are a top ranked the credit people. So they're able to help as far as approval on auto loans, home loans, new credit, refinancing. Again, they can help just improve your overall situation. And they take a look at the credit reports, credit scores, and kind of move you forward in the best way, depending on, what you have issues with. Again, that comes to the accounts in dispute, repaired items, and any kind of starting scores or negative items that are negative accounts hurting your overall credit rating. That's what they focus on to help clean up your credit and raise your credit scores. Again, pretty simple process. Again, that is the credit people. Moving along, next in this list we have is Lexington Law. So kind of similar to Safeport Law, where Lexington Law has actual licensed attorneys, paralegals, and personalized score improvement strategies. They are a little bit on that premium level, similar to Safeport Law. The law companies have a little bit more overhead and are a little bit more aggressive with their overall process. Now, Lexington Law also has $1 million in coverage in identity theft, and they also have a mobile app that allows you to monitor the development of your case. They also have a free credit assessment you can cancel at any time, and that is $129.95 per month. Again, this is Lexington Law, and they are a good option when it comes to credit repair. So as you can see here, even in 2023, Lexington Law Firm clients had over 2 million items removed from their credit reports. They've been in a lot of the popular business news networks like CNBC or Forbes. So they are more of a legal services side of things. So the Lexington Law Firm operates on the legal side of actually providing like legal services to fight the, as they say, the injustice on your credit reports. So they have skilled lawyers and paralegals, and they send the challenges to multiple credit bureaus. They do also offer you monthly TransUnion FICO score updates, personalized score improvement strategies, and $1 million in coverage in identity theft insurance, which is a nice little side benefit there as well. So you're able to, cross-examine your credit score with no cost to start. You're able to fight for your reputation, and they offer legal support essentially. So they give you a free credit score, free credit report, and recommendation initially. And all you have to do is, again, sign up online. Again, if you do want to check out any of these companies, sign up or call them. Again, links are down below in the video description if you do want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video. Moving along here, next we have is creditrepair.com. So they are an industry-leading state coverage and provide services in Spanish and Espanol as well, which is pretty nice. So they offer a free credit score evaluation and consultation. They have a first payment ranging from $49 to $119 with monthly fees from $49 to $119. They do offer a 50% discount on first payment for veterans and active military. So, hey, if that is you, if you're a veteran or active military, you can get a discount with creditrepair.com, which is pretty nice. And they do have no money back guarantees as well. So that's a little bit unfortunate, the no money back guarantee. A little bit unfortunate there, but with creditrepair.com, again, if you are in that camp of being veteran or active military, then it could be worth going with creditrepair.com. I have seen quite a bit of reviews online of people who have used them and found them to be pretty quick and easy. They are one of the most popular agencies in this space. Again, Credit Repair, essentially in the name, they have a pretty nice domain name in my opinion, of course. And so they, a lot of people do like them. You can also see your free score and sign up online. Again, they have a form. All you have to do is fill out the submission. You're able to see your score, review the negatives, and find a solution. At least, they have it for free initially to get a free credit snapshot. And then they do have monthly fees after that, as I outlined already in the chart here. Moving along, next and last but not least in this list we have is Legal Harbor. Now, Legal Harbor, similar to the other law firms, they offer services starting at $129 per month. They do have a $15 off enrollment offer. They have free credit score analysis and 3 plans to suit customer needs, as well as experts in credit repair, credit building, and debt settlement. And you can cancel anytime between the 90-day performance based money back guarantee, which is nice. They actually do have a money back guarantee, especially compared to the last one. Again, they do have a $15 off enrollment discount currently available at the link in the video description. Again, this is Legal Harbor. So you can see they do an analysis process of your credit score to find a solution. They source the, and check unverifiable, outdated information, other data that is, potentially the source of your bad score. And then they help with solving the disputes, removing negative information to build a stronger credit report for you, or build stronger credit for you in general. So again, that is Legal Harbor. They have a free credit analysis, free consultation, then they offer a personalized plan to improve your credit score. You're also able to get a free credit score from them as well. Again, most companies do offer free credit scores, but they do actually also have a free consultation form. Again, this is Legal Harbor, last but not least in this list. So guys, again, if you do want to read more about how we rank these, you can read that on the best of page here. Again, available at the first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/best credit repair. That will take you right over to this page here, where you can check out all the companies mentioned here in today's video. Again, no matter when you're watching this video, this page will be constantly up to date. So you can rest assured that these are the best credit repair companies, and it will be up to date as well. Again, at the links in the video description. Again, if you guys found this credit repair video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.